Do you know that 90% of online stores fail within the first 120 days? But don't worry. In this video, we will show you how to be among the successful 10% by scaling your Shopify store from 1K to 100K a month. This episode is for people who are already into e-commerce, are doing some good numbers in business, and are passionate about scaling their business to the next level. Whether you're struggling with low profits, ad inefficiencies, or handling everything on your own, this video is for you. We'll show you how AI can become your ultimate partner in saving time and money. Plus, it will help you reduce managerial stress like never before. We'll cover everything from automating customer service to boosting your organic traffic and enhancing your paid strategies. So, let's dive in and transform your Shopify store into a powerhouse of growth and revenue. Scaling an e-commerce store requires expertise in customer service automation, organic traffic growth, effective paid strategies, methods to enhance customer LTV, cart abandonment solutions, optimizing conversion rates. Stick to the end as you are going to get all the strategies and solutions to upgrade your business like a pro. If we view the evolution of e-commerce, it has evolved for 4 to 5 years, and before that, it was quite simple. You made a Shopify account and showcased your product, and if the product hits the customer's demand, you have stark chances to scale your business. But in today's world, there is a huge competition at every step. In order to scale your business, you need to adopt modern tools and apps. You need to be a better marketer and a better entrepreneur to hit at least 100K a month. And this is exactly a path that will get you $1 million a month very soon. So, without further delay, let's get into this roadmap. First, let's discuss in detail customer service automation. Imagine your store handling hundreds of customer inquiries without you lifting a finger. Sounds great, right? That's the power of customer service automation. When you aim to provide exceptional customer service, this means that you are automatically increasing your conversion rates by 50%. Most Shopify stores offer email support, live support, or in the worst case, no support, while e-commerce stores that offer customer service increase the return rates by 91%. And this leads to customers engaging more with the brand, and they will likely to recommend your services or products to their friends and family. Human support can only handle a few customer queries, and it will sometimes take hours and hours to respond. Also, there are chances that your customers may get repetitive and irrelevant answers. This is really frustrating, and visitors will leave the moment they get such pathetic customer support. So, automating customer services is necessary to help with backlog and to improve customer experience. Now, what's the best way to do it? We have a complete process to show you about how to automate customer service effectively. 1. You need to identify repetitive tasks. Go through your past and present customer questions. Now, categorize common inquiries that can be automated, such as order status updates, FAQs. 2. Choose the right tools for your store. It's important to select tools or apps that integrate seamlessly with your Shopify store and offer multi-channel support, AI capabilities, scalability, and ease of use. For example, omni-channel chatbots of EcommerceBot. We have pinned the link in the description to install and adapt EcommerceBot chatbot settings according to your brand's avatar. The features and options you can customize here are explained in the steps. First, create automated email responses. You must set up automated sequences to acknowledge inquiries, provide support, and initiate follow-up post-purchase. You can do this from the email marketing software you are using on Shopify, or you can integrate Shopify Mail or use a third-party provider. In the next step, leverage social media automation. Here you need to automate responses to direct messages and comments. Next, organic traffic growth. Do you know organic traffic can fuel your business growth without constant ad spending? Businesses focusing on SEO are 13 times more likely to achieve a positive ROI, making it a powerful strategy for attracting visitors, building credibility, and sustaining long-term success. Social media is the best medium for marketing, driving referral traffic, and generating leads. If you're active on social, you can use it to get more organic traffic. But it's tricky because social media platforms limit your reach to push you towards paid ads. Let's break down the 6 strategies for maximizing the potential of organic traffic growth. 1. Include social follow buttons on your posts. Social follow buttons on your posts are a natural way to get people who are engaging with content on your website to follow you on social media. You can prominently display social follow buttons alongside your content. 2. Combine email and social media marketing. Email and social media are arguably two of the top digital marketing channels. You can funnel organic traffic from social media to a landing page where you convert them onto your email list. Or you could add them to your email list and then drive them to your social channels. Creating a social media funnel is relatively straightforward. The first step is to consider the goals of your audience. You need to think about what you can offer that would help them achieve their goals. That might be an ebook, a guide to success in business, or something else. Once you've people in your lead magnet, you can direct them to your email list. This is the way you can educate and promote your stuff organically. 3. Create a customer avatar. It includes people with specific ages, specific passions, and people who follow specific influencers of your category. 4. Optimize your social media profiles because customers often check Facebook or Instagram just as much as Google. Studies reveal that 52% of consumers discover businesses through Facebook. Here's what you can do to optimize like a pro. Profile and cover images. Match each platform's size requirements and design graphics matching your brand's voice. About section. Include relevant keywords about your products or services. Describe yourself in a way that hits directly your visitors' interests and needs. Business information. Make sure your business type, contact details, and website are accurate to direct social traffic effectively. Your social media profiles are often the first impression, so make it easy for people to find and connect with you. 5. Post when your followers are online. When you post content on social media, you can't expect it to show up on your followers' feeds right away unless you're paying Facebook to boost your ads. If you want to ensure that your fans see your content without spending extra, you need to post it when your followers are most likely to be online. When crafting a social media content strategy, aim for a mix of 20% brand-centric content and 80% that educates or entertains. Now, let's come to effective paid strategies. Well, you may have noticed over the period, Facebook and TikTok ads are going expensive, but they are equally important as we want our business to get more reach and more customers. These expenses with smart strategies will prove investment and, in turn, going to get you triple the profit for your business. 1. Use social media ads. You can manually set and run your social media ads or employ AI to create and optimize ads. You can run your ads using EcommerceBot's AI ads automation. It allows you to manage, run, test, and scale ads with AI. Our technology tests whether a creative will be profitable before spending heavily on it. Profitable creatives can be scaled and managed automatically until a chosen amount of inventory is sold out or matches up to more inventory arrives. With our AI engine, you can be sure that your budget is spent most efficiently through our funnel strategy, allowing you to maximize ad spend up to 300%. 2. Use influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a great way to drive traffic to your store. It can help convert the traffic into actual sales. It's important to ensure that their audience, interests, and values align with your brand. You may check things like which percentage of engagement they are getting from posts, what kind of audience are commenting, and what type of comments do they write. So, these types of influencers are your target because they have a perfect audience who are doing business and seeking mentors and tools for help. The benefits you are going to get with influencer marketing are: 1. It will give you a lot of content to repurpose for your ad. 2. It will drive a lot of traffic, and there are examples of people generating thousands of dollars just by doing influencer marketing. The next step is to improve customer lifetime value. LTV is pivotal for your business. Retaining existing customers is more cost-effective than acquiring new ones. So, we are presenting some of the proven strategies to enhance LTV. Communicating effectively. As we said earlier, human support is good, but with AI chatbots, you can offer 24/7 support, providing easy refund policies. Your policy page, the legal page, should have a clear refund policy. Customers need to know how fast they can get their money in case of a broken product, a non-delivered product, or any hassle-free issue with the products. Building trust. You must ensure that your service or products deliver on promises and maintain high product quality, offering unique services and fast delivery. Differentiate your brand and inform customers about your services and products. Next, we have cart abandonment solutions. Cart abandonment is a significant challenge, with rates reaching 70% in 2023. Here's how to reduce it. Simplify checkout, streamline the process, and offer autofill options. Utilize live chat. Provide real-time assistance during the shopping process. From shopping to checkouts to order delivery and order refunds, offer multiple payment options. Cater to diverse preferences. Be transparent. Disclose all fees up front. And also add the products inclusive of tax. Offer free shipping. Encourage purchases by eliminating shipping costs. Now let's discuss the last yet most important part. Key steps to optimize conversion rates. Getting more out of existing traffic and leads can propel companies toward long-term growth. That's why we need smart strategies for conversion rate optimization. To maximize its potential and convert visitors into paying customers, create unique product pages and highlight benefits. Showcase customer reviews and feedback as a social proof. Optimize checkout pages, simplify the process, and offer various payment methods. Enhance site speed and mobile responsiveness. This you will do it by adding high-quality products with proper dimensions. Upselling and cross-selling. Offer additional products without overwhelming customers. Now, some important do's and don'ts. A foundation to scale an e-commerce business is structured on two ends. At front end, your main agenda is customer acquisition, which mainly comes from ads, but it doesn't mean increasing the budget. The mistake that people usually do is they increase their ad budget to thousands of dollars a day, and the result they receive in return is pathetic. The ads just drain the budget, do low performance, and are unprofitable. This is because they have a porous strategy. Bad websites, bad hooks, low-quality images, and much more. At back end, your main goal is increasing AOV, conversion rate, and LTV. So, follow all the steps discussed in this video, and you are on the right path to achieve 100K a month. For scaling your e-commerce store to a new height, you need an approach of direct response in e-commerce. Educating and connecting to them on different levels is what makes you more money, and this is the exact strategy to sell a $40 product in $400. Now, it's time to get your hands on the super smart and multifunctional AI platform that guarantees success within the first month of signing in. You may have experienced that Shopify can handle a set capacity, but scaling a business demands a robust solution to maintain quality and meet customer expectations. EcommerceBot is going to be an all-in-one platform. Here's how EcommerceBot can help. It can automate customer support and manage queries on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. It can manage customer interactions and everything from a unified, detailed dashboard. It can track metrics and monitor profit, orders, sales, inventory, and product performance. If you got value and interesting insights on scaling a business, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tutorials on achieving e-commerce success. Also, click the link below and steal the free guide to 100K a month. It is specially designed for success enthusiasts like you. See you in the next video.